In interviews during skill test, you will be asked to create a data frame using dictionary. In this video, you will learn how to create a Pandas data frame. Let's import Pandas as PD. I'll make one variable students and then I'll create a dictionary, and inside this dictionary I'll create a list, and inside this list I will create some variables. My first variable will be name, and I will pass a list of name. My first name is Summer, second is Sarah, and third is Samya. Then I'll create one more variable which is occupation, and then I will pass the occupation. So let's say first is biologist, second is student, and third is also, let's say, student. I'll also pass one more variable which is age. So I'll define their age here. Let's say age of Summer is 25, Sarah is 20, and Samya is 18. Now let us execute our code. So it says invalid syntax. So I have to remove this list from here. Now let us execute our code. Now if I print this students, so here you will see we have this dictionary here, and inside this dictionary we have list. So first list is of name, second is occupation, and the third one is age. Now we are going to convert this dictionary into a data frame. I'll make one variable df, and then from PD I will call this data frame function, and inside this I will pass this dictionary which is students. And now let us print this data frame df. Now here in the output you can see that we got a nice data frame here out of this dictionary. So using this dictionary we have created this data frame, and we have columns name, occupation, and age. Then we have the name Summer, Sarah, and Samya, their occupation and their age is also given. So this is how you can create a data frame using dictionary. And we can also pass the index number and column as a parameter. So here you are seeing that we have this dictionary here. Now suppose you want to pass the column names separately, or even you want to give a different index number. So if you see here 0, 1, and 2, these are nothing but the index number, and these are the column names. Now let's say we want to pass these column names and the index separately. So how we can do that? For that, first I'll have to define these two, the index and the column names. So first I'll define the index. I'll make one variable ind, and inside this I will write person1. This is going to be my index. So instead of 0, 1, and 2, you will see this person1, person2, and person3. I'll write here person2, then person3. Then I'll make one variable column, and this will be my column names. So I'll give the column name as, let's say, name, occupation, and then age. Now I'll copy this code from here and paste it here. Now I will save this in df1 instead of df, and inside this I will pass two parameters. The first will be index number, or this index, and index will be this ind. So I will pass here ind, and then the second will be columns, and our column names is going to be col. So I will pass here col. And then I will print this data frame df1. So here in the output you can see we can pass the index number and the column names separately. So we have this index here, person1, person2, person3, and the column names we have given the same one, name, occupation, and age. So you can always change the index of this data frame, and you can always pass the column names separately. So this is how you can create a data frame using dictionary. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.